Hello guys, welcome to Tech Talks. This is my another video on tool.aex. In this video I will tell you about tool.aex and what tool.aex will do. Tool.aex is a Linux and termux tool which helps us to download different types of tools that are vulnerable tools, DOS tools, Wi-Fi tools, so many tools we can download from here. Now let's go into the video. Now let's go to GitHub. In GitHub, search for this tool. I will drop this link in the description. Download the tool from here. We can do this many download this many types of tools from here. Let's see examples. We can download information gathering tools, vulnerable scanner tools, exploitation tools, virus tools, sniffing, so many tools. Let us see these comments. We can use these comments to download this tool. Now what we have to do is just download this tool. I'm downloading it. We can clone it or we can download it by copying that and pasting in the terminal. We can download it, but I'm downloading it. I prefer downloading the tool. I'm downloading my download section. Please be aware where you're downloading the file. We can see the file is downloading. Let us see whether it has downloaded or not. It has downloaded. Now let's get back to terminal. For anything you are running, for any your tool you are running, you have to run it as a root user. For that you have to type sudo su or sudo bash, and though both commands will work for turning it into root. I regularly use sudo su for this. The password for Linux default is Kali. For what I have to show you one thing. I have downloaded the tool in the download section. I will show where the tool is. Actually I have downloaded it. We can see the tool here. We can extract it here only. Yeah, there's the tool in the top section. Now let's go back to the terminal. Now with cd command we have to locate the folder. Now type ls command to list out the folders and type cd and tool name tool.aex, something tool.aex master here. Now list the commands in tool.aex. Now we have to install .aex. We have to install that file. For that chmod you have to extract it. Chmod plus x install.aex. Type enter. Now we have to run it as dot slash install.aex. Now press enter. The tool will get installed in your terminal or in your Linux distro. Wait for some time. It takes less than a minute. Let's wait for that. Here is the tool. Now we have to install it. Doing this is education, only for education purpose. Don't use it for any illegal purpose. And this is just a tool. You cannot do anything from here. If you have knowledge only, can further go any if you have done any knowledge only, you can go any further. Now let's type tool.aex. To run tool.aex you have to just type tool slash x. And let me show you tools. Type 1 for these tools. It shows more than 300 tools in here. Let's I think I will show you one tool. I will install tool number 1. See, it is installing here. Cloning into receiving objects. See, that tool is getting downloaded and installing. See, we have successfully installed the tool. Here is the tool. You can do you can use the tool for future purpose. Now let's type tool. Sorry, I had did a mistake. So fish tool x. Let's enter. To go back you have to just type 00 and just two types of tools. We can see here information gathering tools, vulnerable tools, exploitation tools, wireless tools, web hacking, stress testing, DOS, attack tools. Let's try for DOS attack tools. See, we can see list of comments in uh, DOS attack tools, and let see this. This is for the video, guys. Please support me, guys, to make more videos like this. So please kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any queries about this, please let me know in the comment section. If you want any more videos like this, you can ask in the comment section. So guys, see you, bye. Please like, share and subscribe, guys. Thank you.